Okay, number 10, we have a local environmental group. They're surveying the type of trees in an area. You have to excuse the marks on the side of this paper. I made a small mistake when I was doing it the first time. I messed up when I told in the calculator. To find a appropriate circle graph in this problem, we have to first add up all of the trees they looked at. All I did here in the calculator is I added every single one of these up, and when I did that, it got 7,500 trees they surveyed. Now to find the percents, so my total is 7,000, I have to divide the number of trees of that type, for example 1,500 oak trees, by the 7,500 total. So I'm going to do 1,500 divided by 7,500, and that's going to get me 0.2, which is actually 20%. Then I'm going to just copy that, and now I'm going to do 2,250. This one is 0.3. 0.3, I moved the decimal 2 places. That gets me 30%. Then I have 375. I'm going to put a 0 here to keep it spaced the same, 375, and that's going to get me 5%. Move that decimal 2 places to the right. Then, let's see, I have 225, I've already done that one. Or sorry, 2,250, that's 30%. And then the last one is 1,125. Press an extra key there. That is 15%. All we have to do once we find those percentages is to see which one matches. Easiest one to identify right here is maple is 5%. Well, those have 5%. Those two have 5%. These don't. 30%, we have fir and cedar with 30%. Fir, cedar, 30%. We're good on those, so we're good in fir, maple, cedar. Let's check the oak. Oak should be 20%. Oak is 20% on this one, 15 on this one. That's wrong. Has to be A. Now, part B, true or false? There were twice as many cedar trees as pine trees in the area. Let's look at cedar and pine. Twice as many cedar, 30%, pine, 15%. 2 times my pine trees will get me my cedar trees, so that is a true statement. Look at pie chart C above. Write one statement that is supported by the data in this pie chart. If I am looking at this one, I could say that there are twice as many fir trees as oak trees. Write one that is not supported. For example, I could say there are twice as many fir trees as pine trees. Well, if I doubled the pine trees, that would be 40%, not 30%. Those are just 2 examples of what you could use.